Cooling pillows refer to any pillow that offers temperature neutrality and sleeps relatively cool. It may be made from different materials, such as gel-infused memory foam or latex. Other pillows absorb more body heat from sleepers, causing them to feel warm. These models can be very uncomfortable for sleepers who already feel too hot. Additionally, cooling pads with water chambers have become increasingly popular among today's sleepers. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Sleep Better IsoCool comes with Outlast Adaptive Comfort material, has tiny PCM beads that absorb heat and feel cold, or release heat and feel warm. It offers viscoelastic memory foam, filling in an elegant, gusseted design meant to maximize comfort for side sleepers. Besides, the removable cover is machine washable for natural care. They are available in 2 luxurious and supportive fills: measures, spiral spun polyester, and viscoelastic foam. Moreover, it is available as a polyester cover or as a 3-inch high-density viscoelastic foam mattress pad with a polyester cover. On the other hand, it features the highest possible concentration of PCMs, making them extremely useful. Another advantage is that the microscopic phase change material, PCM beads, sense whether the body's mean temperature is too warm or too cool. The Ghost Bed pillow is ergonomically designed to adjust to your neck and head to achieve ideal spinal alignment. Also, the embroidered cover has a zipper for easy removal and care and is ultra plush and kind to your skin. Besides, it uses immediate cool burst airflow technology, and the inner cover is an aerated mesh scrim. Its patent-pending heat-sensitive phase change material adjusts to your body heat to keep your sleep environment cool as a cucumber, no matter what time it is. Moreover, the pure gel memory foam core keeps Ghost Pillow from collapsing overnight, and the plush, cushy outside means you'll never have to fluff it. In addition, the memory foam is aerated, which helps air to flow through the pillow and dissipate heat as you sleep. The Sleep Restoration is a gel-filled fiber pillow that is crafted in super plush gel fiber and is expertly tailored to ensure maximum comfort for any sleeping position. They are completely allergen and chemical free, and it provides resistance against dust mite, mold, mildew, stain. Also, it is softer than memory foam pillows. It is firm and thick enough to prevent your head from sinking into the pillow. Besides, it can take the shape of your head and neck but bounces back right away and it won't flatten. Moreover, the extra material in the gusset creates more space for a fuller, cloud-like resting space, and the no-shift construction will provide consistent comfort no matter what position you sleep in. On the other hand, the combination of the gusseted cover and gel fiber filling work together harmoniously, making sure that the right amount of support all night long. Holding the first place among the list of best cooling pillows, we have the Coop Home Goods. It has an inner liner that allows for maximum moldability, so you can shape your pillow to provide support where you need it. Also, it uses a unique blend of memory foam and microfiber that offers the perfect balance between comfort and support. Besides, it is made without ozone depleters, PBDEs, TDCPP, TCEP flame retardants, mercury, lead, and heavy metals, formaldehyde, phthalates regulated by the CPSC or CFCs. Moreover, the medium firm blend of memory foam and microfiber provides just the right balance between comfort and support. Another advantage is that you can access your pillow's fill by unzipping the inner liner, which is made with a stretchy, lightweight fabric that allows you to shape the pillow to support different sleep positions. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit that like button and share this video. To be notified about all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.